my fucking truck.
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. Get you a little bit of this box action. Guys know what this is. This is the women's Air Jordan 11 Retro Low White Bright Citrus. Last time I seen these was around 2001, I believe. I can't remember when the other ones came out. I think it was around that time, either 2000 or 2001. I have that pair. I won't be keeping this pair. Just getting this pair ready to go. I'm not able to fit women's shoes, and I don't like lows. I might get some for the collection, but I don't keep the women's shoes that are in lows. Pretty good shoe. I hope that you guys didn't catch the L today. Get you some of that bottom. That's where the shoe is most dynamic. Then we'll get you guys a 360 with the light and move on. Materials on this shoe are outstanding quality. Everything looks decent. Pretty clean shoe. I'm trying to look and see now if I see any imperfections, but so far so good. I don't see anything bad on the shoe. Let me know if you guys bought something in the video. But right now the shoe is looking pretty good. Get you guys a little bit of top action. So my reason, they give you another pair of fat white laces. Look exactly like the laces that are in the shoe. Maybe the eyelets are different. I don't know. Somebody has to tell me. Pretty much looks like the same shoe. Alright, that's pretty good shoe, guys. Alright, let's get on to the next shoe. Give you a quick side silhouette again. Let's get on to the next shoe. Alright guys, let's get this next shoe underway. This is a shoe I got off eBay not too long ago. This is the Jordan 312 Hot Lava. I believe it's the Tech 2, but I can't remember it exactly. It's my second pair of this shoe. I got this shoe for wearing. To complete my wearing 312 collection. I have an entire collection, but not two pairs of each one, because some of them were hard to find for me. So I could only get one pair. Like the silhouette of this shoe. It's another early 90s reiteration. Let me give you guys a 360 with the light. Came around the time that David Robinsons were popular as well. It goes with the David Robinson version of the 312s as well. The leather quality on this shoe is outstanding. That's why I love the 312s. And you get elements of a Jordan number 3, a Jordan number 1, and a Bo Jackson number 2, I believe it is, but I can't remember for sure. But it's just a great shoe. I love the 312s. I don't know why people let these sit or go to the shelves when they came out, but I made sure I bought them when they came out. You'll also get a box, but mine didn't have a top for this one. Somebody must have got these ones off the hash wall. Like I said, and I bought them from them on eBay. Speaking of eBay, make sure you guys subscribe to my eBay. We're flooding them with Grail shoes at low price. This is the box. That shoes came in from eBay. Authenticated. And the whole shebang. So, alright, let's get on with this next shoe, guys. Alright, let's get on with this last shoe, guys. Get you a little bit of box action. Make sure the label's on there. Let it focus. This is the Air Jordan 1 Low. Lucky Green and Black, I believe it's called. Okay, sure. Really don't like Jordan Lows, but got a good deal on these, so bought a couple of them. Going through my last ones on StockX and Goat now. I said before I send out the last ones, let me show you guys. I thank everybody that supports. We're going to have our website up. They're working on it now. It should be up by the end of the day you see this video. Maybe the day after you see this video, we should be up there. So check us out at theozone.com or theozonshoes.com. Gonna start having sneaker deals and clothing deals on there for you guys. We're going to expand, trying to help everybody get these sneakers into their hands so you don't have to pay resale. We're going to be the lowest selling resale shop. We'll only add shipping and handling to the shoe. All right, let's get you guys a 360. Now, we're doing good enough just selling at the retail location, so we don't need to be a resale shop. I'm seeing a lot of these retail locations are forced to become resale shops because they don't move enough inventory, but that's not our problem. We move it. Everybody I know loves sneakers, so we're able to sustain ourselves at normal prices. I see I have a little stain on my shoe. That's okay. Cut the light out. Do another 360. It's not a bad shoe at all. It's pretty decent. All right, give you guys another side silhouette of what people will see. All right, guys, remember to comment, like, subscribe. Look for me on your social media networks. I should post the links down below. Make sure you check out our new site so you can get some deals on some shoes, and everybody stay safe out there. Everybody fucking jump!